have a beautiful condition Paolo Soprani Junior 2 accordion. It has 34 keys in the treble with 72 bass buttons. There are 3 reeds in the treble, low and 2 middle, with 5 switches on the treble side. I'll go through the switches so you can hear what they sound like. This would be the low bassoon, middle clarinet, master, low and middle, and 2 middle musette. So a nice bright musette there. On the left side we have 2 switches, and this is what they sound like. This is your master switch. This is a very, very nice condition accordion, very classic design, white bellows, very nice looking grill. It's a very nice touch. The keys go down very nicely, and it gives you a very smooth feel. Very lightweight, compact. This would be perfect if you like to stroll around. It has a really nice sound. It's a very nice condition Italian accordion. I'll play you something so you can hear what it sounds like.